The Syntos combines the tried and tested technical heart of the Stratos with an innovative technological concept. It boasts a modular design strategy and can be adapted for use with a number of different carrier vehicles. The driver can control all functions, such as dosage density, distribution pattern, and lateral distribution directly from the cab. The driver can thus directly react to changing situations on the roadway. The Syntos can be exactly adapted to the current situation through one of the 3 Evolution line control systems. The first polyethylene pre-wetted salt spreader in the professional sector offers superior corrosion resistance. The optimized geometry, which, thanks to the integration of tank and hopper, increases the tank capacity and lowers the center of gravity, and thus provides improved driving dynamics. It is designed for small carrier vehicles and offers a 0.8 to 1.7 cubic meter capacity hopper with belt or auger conveyor system. The cassette system with band operation allows a high degree of dosing accuracy for small amounts of spreading material, while the V-shaped, continuously profiled conveyor belt on a guide plate is very low maintenance. The patented integrated lump crusher ensures that the spreading material is as effective as possible. The auger conveyor with variable thread ensures a uniform emptying of the hopper. The wet salt equipment is built in. It ensures an automatic reduction of the dry material when switching on the brine supply. An integrated speed sensor gives the system its high degree of accuracy. The system's versatility is impressive. The Syntos is available in 4 hopper sizes with several geometries per hopper available. In addition, there are 4 operating versions and 2 demounting systems for this technologically advanced concept.